My people, no be small thing o. As we just close our eyes say make we rest, so now they say make we come see. They say that the Fulani herdsmen wey dey for our land, wey dey carry our brothers dey enter inside bush, dey come outside. We don finally see them o. They say that fowl wey we dey find outside o, na person wey dey for house na catch the fowl, na eat am. As e be like this now, those Fulani half from the north and the half is from Igbo land. No okay, na the rat o wey dey for inside the house go take the one wey dey outside say get one fish wey dey for house o. You know say e don tey wey we don dey shout am for this is wey dey happen for Owerri, wey dey happen for Owerri, for different communities wey be say people wey get property wan go see their property, go see people wey go carry them. They don finally catch all of people. As that one dey happen, then we come dey hear say there is fire on the mountain in the hands of the Biafra Liberation Army, which I go play the video. Me wanna hear wetin dey talk o, as they take dey talk am for inside here concerning Ngozi Orabueze. We go play the video for you, make you watch. Abeg stay tuned, we go play the two videos together.
These are some criminals, some terrorists that have been terrorizing Avo, Okupu, Umogoma, along Bosema Road since all this while. All the kidnappers.
Video uno ga watch just when did you ga watch Chabida. Yeah, normally I not Fulani because on your bala Shiwausa with Bazori on the Fulani. Na January 5th in none of my prayer team. I never one of their uncle or in-law was them to how it the case. I better Chineke Mamara. Release ya. Mana 5 million naira. After I put another 5 million naira, but before I go release there, back on a phone. Only back on a phone. See, because so what? Beke can die in a house when I know. But the woman became more broken, and I know the Fulani. But I broadcast the news as in the Fulani get kidnapper. Only do try. Ele akwa 5 million release there. Man at church. Before me finish, I'm telling you now. Ima no song every done a video. The Fulani. Man at church. You know when the we were equal his zoku yana for her say. Yana for her cause and now ogi. Ipo hiyo agami kure zoku. Gini be zoku. Onwe otu onye Fulani ga-eji ma operate n'ala Igbo ma onye Igbo eso ya. Ndị Igbo na-atụ n'ilu si onye ọrịa adịghị abịa ma ọ bụ na onye nwe ụlọ eso ya. Gechaa this video ka ịnụ ihe ọzọ m ga-agwa gị. Then enwere another video m ga-play ị gecha ya anya compare wee contrast ya ma ọ bụ ndị Igbo. Get this video.
These are some criminals, some terrorists that have been terrorizing Avo, Okupu, Umogoma, along Bosema Road since all this while. All the kidnapping, stealing that have been happening on that road, these are the men. And now, being Sunday, the Avo Community Security Network invade them, and we are able to get rid of them through the information of our brother who is there clearing the bush via farming. He now noticed it and started calling us. Before we now came and we managed to apprehend some of them, which are these ones. Even some of them, you can see the two are from Avon. These are our brothers that are leading them. Then before others came for their rescue, but they don't know that we have already taken cover. We now approached them, but they couldn't resist us. Then we now apprehended all of them. Now finding out that they all are from the same group. They all know what they are doing. They are from the same business. They do the same job in this road. This is their boss, being boss. This one, we have come in contact with them for several times. He escaped. And thank God now we have him red-handed. Hey, look up here. This is the boss. Boss, where are you from?
Jos.
Yeah?
Jos.
Jos. You are from Jos. Yes. From Jos, and you are terrorizing our community. You, where are you from? You are from Abia State. As you can see, the CSO in charge, the commander over the West. Can see some security members who helped us. This is our brother that helped us to give the information before we arrive. God bless our community security network and the youths. Yes, also. These are the notorious criminals that have been giving us sleepless nights in Avon and Obosema Okuku Road today. Thank you and God bless you. Who brought you people here? Who? Who is Buchi? Who is Buchi? Okay, you are the one. Where are you from? We are from Avon. You, where are you from? You are from Avon. Thank you. You, where are you from? You are from Castina. You are from Kaduna State. And both, your coming to this place is through the information of these ones. Okay, thank you.
O doro m anya na ịhụla ihe onyonyo ahụ ndị onye Katsina, onye Jos, onye Kaduna, that's 3/3. Mana ọnwụ na mebi enwe onye ya nwudere na erelize ara ndị Fulani mana 3 of them bụ ndị 2 onye Avụ, ofu onye Abia steeti. Ndị Igbo enyere ndị ugwu aka ka ha na-eri ụmụnne ha, a na-anapụ ụmụnne ha ego. Mana ajụ m na-ajụ, ọ dị possible ndị Igbo aga na-eme operate na ndị Fulani? Is it possible? Is na chi na ọ ga-adị possible onye Igbo na-aga na-eme operate na-ekidnap ndị Fulani na-anara dala ha ji ego? Ọ ga-emewe m n'ụwa? It can never happen. Biko unu hụrụ ego n'anya, ihu ego unu n'anya ga-awa against your own brother, your own self. Ihe na-emegbukwa unu ndị na-enwe obi nwanne ndị Igbo. Everything na Chineke mere iwu ada na ofu ụbọchị ga-abụrụ ọtụtụ ụbọchị ga-awụ nke onye ori, mana ofu ụbọchị ga-abụrụ nke onye nwe ụlọ. Aka akparago ha leka ha na-eme dịka mere ha ebere. Onye ọbụla na-eme ihe kidnap enwude gbuo ya. Mgbe m ka m na-eme mere ha ebere, ha ga-echegharị, achọghị nchegharị, sigbuo ha. Hoo ha, sigbuo ha. O nweghị ihe mere na Fulani eme operate successfully n'obodo ala Igbo steady continuously na ọnwụ na ndị nwe ala esoghị ha. I maintain it. Onye na-esere na many people every day na nso nkwa na-abịa ya na amakwa Fulani herdsmen, ndị okuku, ndị Avụ, ndị obodo dota. Lee ugbu a ndị Fulani a na-akpọwa ụmụ Igbo. Mgbe o mee before ndị nsị a na-azọ nwere onwe eme nke ha, ndị Fulani emere ndị gọọmenti. Ugbu a na ndị gọọmenti apụtara akwụkwọ, so ndị apụtara na fight ọzọ ya asịsị ọ ga-akpata ndị Fulani ka egbochichi ụmụ ya otu Igbo. Nye gawa get out ndị ọjọọ. Ekpere mbụ na ihe ọbụla mmadụ kọrọ ga-aghọrọ. Ụbọchị m bidoro ekpewe ekpere a si ndị na-egbu mmadụ n'ihi chọrọ nwere nwa ga-eru gị aka na-akpara nwa ha niile. Gradually Chineke ga-eme amara ga-anwụdecha one after the other ma ha kwere ekwe m ikwe. We are watching. Aga m na-agbanye ha n'ọkụ dịka ga na-enwude ha. Share this video nwanne. Ị bụrụ onye chọrọ ka arụ pụọ n'ala Igbo, onye si ihe ọjọọ adịkwala n'ala Igbo, share this video, ihe ọjọọ ga-eru na family. Chukwu ga-ekpuchite gị na family gị. Ọ bụrụ na o mere gị mgbe Chineke kasị ogobi ya ekwela ọzọ mee. Ndị emekwaranụ gị ya ruo ha aka okwu ise. Amen. Ise. Amen.
Ngozi Orabueze, number 1, let me make it clear to you. I am the General Gentle, aka onye eziokwu in Biafra land. If you don't know it now. And I am under the commander in control of the chief of armed forces in Biafra nation, being Triple General Botoso. That is whom I am. Ngozi Orabueze, I want you to understand this. And I want to open the eyes of all the whole Biafrans for them to understand that Ngozi Orabueze is referring herself as the deputy prime minister. Who does that? Who does that? The prime minister himself have never make it known to everyone that he has deputy, and his deputy is Ngozi Orabueze. Let the Biafrans understand this. Let me come and speak out. That is why I am here today, and I must to speak out today. Ngozi Orabueze is not the deputy prime minister, and she can never be. Lie, she can never be. The reason of saying this is this. Since Simon Ekpan has a problem, since Simon Ekpan is in the custody of of the Finland government. Ngozi Orabueze, what and what have you done to the men on ground? It's a question that I have to ask you. Ngozi Orabueze and the defense minister of Biafran nation being the USB, what and what have you people done to the men on ground? Please let Biafrans understand this. Since Simon Epan is in the custody of the Finland government, I want to make it openly. We are the men on ground. We have never received kobo, 5 naira from Ngozi Orabueze. Then my question goes like this. Ngozi Orabueze, all those fundraising, where are you channeling all those fundraising with the defense minister? Where are you people? Where have you people have been investing all those money? This is the question for you.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Now don't see amo as it dey happen. Now so we take they bring them, they come. I bet make una share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section.